Welcome to Tech Talk with MossLED. I'm your host. I am Jeff. I am here today to talk to you about a super handy product. This is our Express BusBar. This is a product that is designed for making light boxes really simple as far as connecting a lot of LED strips that are in a linear fashion really fast. So what you have on here is there's 6 contact points running horizontal and vertical, and I have a demo here. This is a hammerhead fixture that one of our clients, the Hammerhead Lighting, has built. You can see on the one side it is the bus bar running vertically and then the LED strips running horizontally, and they're all connected with the circuits on this bus bar. The contacts on them are gold plated, which makes the solderability of this product even better than our standard flex LED strips, and also great at not having any oxidation over long periods of time. So it's a really fantastic product, super handy, and will save you time when you're doing light boxes in the future. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and look forward to seeing you on the next Tech Talk with MossLED and your host, Jeff.